Namaskaram and greetings from Niramaya Wellness Retreats. Today's topic is how to calm your mind using 6 Ayurveda calming techniques. I am Dr. Arun Sudhar, an Ayurvedic physician at Niramaya Wellness Retreats. Thousands of years before, modern medicine started to emphasize the nurturing of the mind and body connection. Indian sages have developed Ayurveda, one of the world's most sophisticated and powerful mind-body health systems. They had found a powerful tool to meditation to balance the mind and body. Ayurveda says that mind and body are inseparable. When you meditate, you not only quieten your mind and expand your awareness, but also restore the natural balance of the body due to the mind body connection. As your heart and breath restores itself to its natural pace, the production of stress hormones is controlled and there is considerable increase in the production of neurotransmitters that enhance happiness. Powerful, isn't it? But how can you utilize the practice of meditation to calm your mind and practice self compassion on a day to day basis? We have compiled some of the best and most useful mind calming and breathing techniques for you. The first out of the 6 techniques today, first is connect to the source. Why is breathing so miraculous? Because unlike all other activities that we do, it doesn't require our willpower. It keeps happening in wonder. Even if we don't pay any attention to it, even if we try to hold our breath, we cannot do it for maybe more than a few minutes. Which brings to the question, what is breathing? What is the source of breathing process? Can we simply observe the breath too and try to connect to the source of life force? This is the simple practice of meditation. By simply observing the breath without trying to control it, we are able to connect deeper to ourselves and connect with the life force. This connection, this experience, and the awareness it brings help us calm our minds. Second technique, find the peace within. Have you ever noticed that in any given situation, two different people seem to have strikingly different reactions? Imagine two people sitting in a bench in a park where it suddenly starts to rain. While one person could express joy and at a wonderful weather, the other person could be complaining about getting drenched in this rain. This simple example exhibits how the inner turmoil within us exhibits itself on a day-to-day basis. If we are not peace within, we are more likely to react negatively to the tiring circumstances in our life, staying caught in the loop of negativity. How to calm your mind? How to escape the loop of negativity? It is a meditation technique that we can use to find peace within. It starts with focusing on our breath and observing it. Take a gentle inhalation from your nose and 3 gentle exhalation through the mouth. Once you are able to concentrate deeply, bring your attention to the center of the forehead, between your eyebrows. You can call it the spiritual eye or third eye. This is your doorway to the height of awareness. When you bring your attention to the spiritual eye by mentally gazing upwards, try to release tension in your forehead and try to imagine looking at a point at a distance. Perhaps you can imagine looking at the sunrise or a distant mountain. Feel the expanding calmness and experience the universal peace that is always within you. Gently open your eyes. The third technique, ask yourself, where is your mind? Every now and then, it is helpful to stop and ask yourself the simple question. How is your mind? And acknowledge how you are feeling. Follow this with a series of slow, deep breathing. Use your stomach to increase the capacity and ensure that every inhale and exhale takes about 3 seconds each. You can count to 3 in your head, repeat the breath cycles several times to feel calm. This is a simple technique that you can do anytime in the middle of any kind of work that you are engaged in. It doesn't require a lot of time, but it is helpful nevertheless. The fourth technique is meet your energy. Sometimes we tend to feel disconnected from ourselves. We feel disoriented and unsure of what we want to do. What this means is that we are not centered. It means that our energy is going outward instead of flowing through us. This is possible to bring back the energy to our calm center and push it up through us by creating magnetism through inhalation and exhalation. Simply close your eyes and inhale to expand your stomach. Experience the energy rising, magnetizing your center. When you exhale, imagine the energy descending your center. You can visualize this energy as light. Post this, visualize yourself standing strong amidst storm connected to your center. Through this technique, you will be able to get rid of the negative emotions and recharge yourself with positive energy. The fifth technique is Nadi Shodhanam Pranayama to balance the mind. Throughout the day, the amount of air we breathe through our two nostrils varies. One is sometimes more open than the other. This pranayama harmonizes the flow of breath between these two nostrils, also calms us down by balancing our energy. For this pranayama, create a hand mudra by closing the first two fingers. We begin by pressing your thumb to your right nostril and slowly inhale from the left nostril. Now we hold the breath in 3 seconds by closing the mudra like this and bringing our little finger to our left nostril. Then we lift our thumb to exhale from the right nostril. We repeat this exercise from the alternate nostril and repeat the complete cycle multiple times. Remember to inhale from one and exhale from the another. Whenever you feel very chaotic in your mind, you can try a modification called Chandra breathing. In this technique, we always inhale from the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Repeat this cycle until you feel a sense of calm and centeredness. The sixth technique, Bhramari Pranayam to cool the brain. This cooling breathing technique is especially useful for cooling the mind after a day of strenuous mental activity. To start this pranayama, we use our thumbs to close our ears, rest of the fingers gently on your eyes. Then we use our exhalation breath to make a buzzing sound from our throat that reverberates through our ears. You can try doing this with multiple exhalation cycles until you experience a sense of coolness and calmness. Conclude, we would like to remind you that even in the most difficult circumstances, the solution lies within us. Meditation techniques helps us strengthen the frontal lobe of our brain, which has all the wisdom we need to find the answer of our question. This is the reason we often tend to look up when trying to think of a solution to a problem. This frontal lobe is the seed of concentration. When we develop it, it gives an increased calmness and a mental clarity, which in turn help us make better decisions. Our stress level goes down. We are able to control our reactions and improve the quality of our relationships. It isn't merely about how to calm your mind. In your breath, You hold the answers and the power to connect with the life force to transform your entire life. Try these simple 6 techniques and share your feedback with me in the comments. Or you can write us through the contact us page in our website www.niramaya.com. I will wait to hear from you. Thank you for watching.